Hey guys, I'm Travis from Boundary, and today we're going to be talking about back plates. So I've got a Boundary billet on the left, and I've got an OEM aluminum on the right. Let's dig in. All right, so on the right, we've got the Boundary billet. On the left, we've got OEM. The first thing that's going to stick out to you is that on the right, we've got an O-ring that we put on the back of the back plate to seal up the pump to block interface. On the left, OEM, no O-ring there, just relying on that flat surface, and I doubt it's flat. But let's check that out. So the next big feature of the Boundary billet is that it's triple side ground. That means we ground it here, we've ground it here, and then back over one more time to make sure it's absolutely flat. On the OEM, that's fly cut. Check this out. All that bounce on this granite, that is lost oil pressure, that is air in your oil, that is not good for performance. Let's check the Boundary. Yeah, no rock. So now we're going to go on to a seal test. I've got some isopropyl here. We're just going to squirt it in the middle and see what happens. So on the Boundary, pull it up, we're going to tap it, and pull. See how it's sealed up in that tight center? Nothing was getting past. All right, we're going to clean up, then we'll retest the OEM. Okay, here comes the isopropyl. All right, a couple rocks. Yeah, oil everywhere. That is oil pressure that you have lost. That is air getting into your engine. So pay close attention. You do not want fly cut. You want triple side ground flatness for ultimate seal.